What is up? Are you guys having a summer birthday or just going to a picnic? You know what? I have a vegan, gluten-free strawberry lemonade cake that is super easy to make and full of flavor. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add in 1 cup of coconut sugar, and then add in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon zest, 2 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of sea salt, a half cup of coconut milk, a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then to a small bowl add in 3 tablespoons of warm hot water, and then add in 1 tablespoon of ground flax seed and just mix that all up together until it gets to a yolky texture. And then add that right up into your bowl. Add in a 1/3 cup of avocado oil or any oil of your choice. Then add in 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Then last, add in 1 cup of fresh cut up strawberries and then just mix it all together on a medium speed until it's fully combined together into the batter, and the strawberries will kind of mash up in the batter, turning it to a different color. That's mixed up, go ahead and grab some oil and a paper towel and smear your pan up. You'll need a 9x13 pan, or you can use a small Pyrex dish as I'm doing. And then after that's greased up, go ahead and pour that delicious strawberry lemonade batter up in there and make sure it's flat and even all over. Now make sure your oven is 350 degrees Fahrenheit and go ahead and place that cake right up in the oven and bake it for at least 35 minutes. Then after your cake is done, go ahead and pull it out of the oven and please let it cool down. And don't be alarmed if it looks squishy still. That's okay because you're going to be freezing it later. While the cake is cooling down, to a bowl, add in 1 cold 12-ounce can of coconut heavy cream. Then add in a 1/4 cup of monk fruit sugar, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, then a half teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now go ahead and mix that up until it becomes a thicker kind of texture, just like a heavy whipping cream. That's exactly what it will look like. Then go over to your cake and pour this all over the top of your cake, smearing it with a spatula. Make sure it's super smooth and filled just like this. It looks super amazing. And then pop it into your freezer, the whole entire cake up in there, and freeze it for 3 hours exactly. After it's done, pull the whole entire cake right out of that freezer and go ahead and garnish it with some strawberries. You can garnish it the way you like to cut your strawberries, but just use fresh strawberries on top. It will be super delicious and tasty. Doesn't this look beautiful already? All right, everyone, go ahead and start cutting it up and serving it to your family or friends. Take a smell. Doesn't this smell like a strawberry lemonade lemon bar cake? It's delicious. Now, if you have any questions, go ahead and tag Meet the Presleys on Instagram and Facebook. Show a photo too, because I want to give it a shout out in a vlog, or message me for any questions you may have. I hope you enjoy it.